Side door access, that has become something that we almost can't live without. My uncle, he's a little older than I am, and he has a Santa Claus belly. So his phrase is, "This is the fat man's skid loader." I'm 6'6", and driving most skid loaders causes poor circulation to my lower legs, and this one gives me a little bit more room to spread out my legs, and you can just slide in and slide right out. My name is Dave Bross. I own Dave Bross Contracting Services, and I help manage the estate that we're on. And so I'm an owner-operator, fleet manager, equipment manager, mechanic, all of the fun stuff. My initial introduction to JCB was their rodeos. They're big on promoting their equipment in just kind of a different way. It's fun, it's neat, but you get to see what the equipment can do. And so when the local dealer popped up down the highway, it was one of those things that intrigued us. Finding out the history of JCB, finding out the size of JCB as a world influence, as a local Midwest guy that gets, I don't know if I should say it, but Caterpillar, Bobcat, and all those companies, they have a heavy influence around here. And JCB is definitely ruffling some feathers. If you have a load with a traditional track loader or skid loader, you have to climb out the front, which means you're under the load. And it doesn't happen very often, but hydraulics do fail. And just that peace of mind of knowing that you're not climbing out underneath that boom. And there's a lot of times that you don't need the load really high, but with a traditional type, track loader or skid loader, you have to give it above the window to get it out, to open that door. And at the end of a hard day, it is real nice to be able to slip out the side. I mean, it makes it very nice. My favorite feature on the Teleskid is the telescoping arm. It, hands down, is the neatest thing since sliced bread. I mean, once you run one, it is very stable. We were a little apprehensive of it tipping when we first saw it, that it wouldn't be counterbalanced, but we've used a ton load steel buildings off of tractor trailers with some very heavy steel, and you couldn't tell that it was extended out tip-wise. So that was just amazing. Its material handling capabilities with the boom out is absolutely, I mean, you almost have to drive it to believe it. It is amazing. I've got bricklayer buddies that I've been sharing it with, other contractors for backfilling. You can stay a safe way away from the foundations whenever you're backfilling a foundation. And it allows you a level of safety and productivity that really no other piece of equipment can give you. I would just recommend anybody that has a question about it to reach out to their local dealer and just drive one. Try it out. I don't think you will be disappointed. It is quite amazing the things that you can think of once you get get in the seat and realize how far it actually extends out, because it isn't just a little bit. It extends out, as you can see behind us, a full 4 or 5 foot, and that comes in so handy. I mean, what can I say? You need to drive one and then probably go buy one.